Sahaba came to the Prophet and said, Ya Rasulullah, my deeds will never reach yours. And whatever I do, Ya Rab, Ya Rasulullah, my good deeds will never reach yours. I don't know where I'll be on the Day of Judgment. I don't know if I'll be able to be with you, and I don't know if I'll be able to, be near you. So the Prophet sent this authentic hadith. He said, Al-mar'u ma'a man ahab. The people will be with the ones that they love. The people will be raised up with the ones that they love. So Anas, may Allah have mercy upon him, Anas, the companion, the narrator of this hadith, he said, Wallahi, we were never happier until we have heard a hadith like this hadith. Rasulullah says, we were the happiest people after this. Then Anas continues, this hadith in Sahih Muslim. He says, so, O Allah, I make you my witness that I love Rasulullah, and I love, this Anas who's saying this. He said, I love Rasulullah, and I love Abu Bakr, and I love Umar, and I love Uthman, and I love Ali. And I hope, O Allah, that you make me with them, even though my deeds will never reach their deeds. So, O Allah Azza wa Jal, Allah keep us with the people that we love, and not keep us with the people that He hates, and give us a chance to be with Ayub, and to be with Sulaiman, and with Dawood, and with all of these prophets, Ibrahim and Ishaq and Yaqub and Ismail and Yasa and Dhul-Kifl, and all of them, even though our deeds will never reach theirs. May Allah give us a chance to be with them and to recline on the couches with them. What a terrible tragedy would be to read this Quran. What a terrible tragedy would be to read this Quran and not get a chance to be with such people, and to read their stories and not get a chance to be with them. It would be such a terrible tragedy, brothers and sisters. So ask Allah today with a pure, sincere heart, sincerely, Ya Rab, raise me up with them, forgive me my sins, raise me up with them, give me a chance to be with them on the Day of Judgment. My deeds are not theirs, but my love has reached them and reached you, O Allah. So raise me up with the people that we love. Ameen Ya Rabbal Alameen.